Idol. It has two types. It is a remote control duplicator for rolling codes and fixed codes. It can store 4 different frequency fixed or rolling codes in 4 different buttons. It also can even regenerate a new remote control. First of all, I will show you how to learn from the rolling code remote control. First step, you need to press the second button and third button at the same time about 3 seconds until the LED goes on again. Okay, that means it has entered into the learning mode, and press any one of the remote control you want to copy, for example, fourth button. Okay, and press the original remote control. Yes, and press the original button at the same time, first button and second button, to activate the remote control until the remote control flashes fastly. That means you have copied the remote control successfully. Now, use this one remote control to working with the BFT receiver. First of all, to press first button and second button to activate the receiver. Okay, and press the receiver. Oh, 开始. Okay, that means working successfully. It working well with the receiver. For now, it just like have the same function as BFT original remote control. Okay,